This is how you make creamy mustard sauce. This creamy sauce made with 2 types of mustard and a touch of wine works well with chicken, pork or fish. It's a rich sauce with tangy yet still smooth and silky flavor that can elevate your everyday meal to an extra special level. It's a quick and no effort recipe with easy steps to follow. And this is how you make it. 2 tablespoons of butter. When butter starts to melt, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. It will prevent butter before burning. There is 1 medium and 1 small onion. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave me a comment. Roughly chop 2 cloves of garlic. Add garlic. Add 2 bay leaves. Mix and let bay leaves and garlic start to smell. Then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix properly and let flour roast for 1 minute. Add 180 milliliters of dry white wine. You need to dissolve all flour in wine to dissolve all the lumps for a smooth texture. Also, you need to burn all the alcohol from the wine. If you don't burn all the alcohol, your sauce may have an acidic taste. When the wine evaporates and start making a paste, add broth. I am adding broth in 2 parts to make it easier to get rid of the lumps. Bring your sauce to a boil and take out bay leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Add 1 tablespoon of brown mustard. Add 1 cup of heavy cream. Bring sauce again to a boil and reduce it to the desired thickness. Cooking and stirring will dissolve any remaining clumps. If not, and you still want a smooth sauce, use an immersion blender. When you reach the thickness that satisfies you, turn off the heat and let it stay for a few minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of cold butter. Add fresh chopped parsley. Use meat, pork, chicken or fish. Pat dry your protein. Any moisture is the enemy of nice searing. Salt, garlic, pepper, oil. Fry for 3 minutes on each side. Take meat out and let it rest on the cutting board for 4 minutes. Add creamy mustard sauce to the plate. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching and see you next time.